Every Sunday, we visit the sacred temple of Lord Batuk Bhairav, just 5 minutes from my home. The moment you step closer, you can feel the divine energy, the sound of bells, the rhythm of drums, and the chants filling the air. On Sundays, the temple comes alive with devotion. People light oil lamps, offer flowers, and dance in joy as the music of faith echoes all around. The energy, so pure, it feels as if every sound, every beat, is washing away your worries. Each visit fills me with strength, peace, and spiritual healing. The vibes here are simply divine, a place where body, mind, and soul unite in faith. May Lord Batuk Bhairav bless everyone with positivity and endless courage.